Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a light headlight restoration DIY on my headlights. They aren't the dirtiest, but they do have a light film over them, and there's some speckling and some light scratches. So I want to see how good I can clean them up. I've never used Turtle Wax headlight lens restorator. I don't know much about it. I just found it at Home Depot, and I'm gonna give it a shot and see what it can do. In addition to the restorator kit though, I did also buy a buffing kit for my drill, and it's basically just a buffing attachment with buffing pads for the drill. I'm gonna try and use a combination of both of these and see if I can get like that perfect combination to clean these headlights as good as possible. I'm gonna do it before and after for you guys. Like I said, the headlights aren't in like the worst shape, but I think that they're bad enough that we'll be able to notice a difference if I do this properly. So this is kind of like a review of this product a little bit, and kind of like a DIY. Let's start this one up, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so as you can tell, there are some scratches and light speckles and just a film in general over my headlights. And so that's what we're gonna be trying to clear up today. We'll see if these products work. I'm gonna give them a shot. All right, so this is everything that comes in the kit. We have a lens clarifying compound, a spray lubricant, and then a lens base coat wipe, and a lens sealing wipe. And these two little pads are for rubbing the compound in. Two different pads right there, and then they also give you a glove for the applicator. We're gonna start with the clarifying compound, and then move to the lubricant and apply these last two pieces. So first what we want to do is just to clean the overall lens, get any dirt or like bug guts off of the front of the lens, and I'm just going to use a Griot's window cleaner for that. Next, we are going to apply this lens clarifying compound. We just apply the compound to the cloth that we're using. Just a dab. Dab it in there. So now we're going to flip the cloth around onto the clean side and basically just remove the wax we just put on. So then it says to apply this spray lubricant that we have, and this is going directly onto the lens itself. And we're going to be rubbing that in with the green side. All over it. Wow. You want to be careful near the edges of the light. You don't want to scratch your paint. You could take this off if you were worried that you might. We then want to flip this over and go to the tan side of this. So then we use the same process we just did with the second pad. We start on the teal side of the pad and we flip to the gray side, and we're going to be going in the opposite direction. And we're going to flip it over to the gray. Do the same thing. Just take a new rag and dry this off. Get any of that excess lubricant that we just sprayed on here off of your lens. Definitely feels much smoother. But then we need to open the lens base coat wipe, and I'm going to be wiping down the lens here. step is supposed to prevent any future oxidization in the headlights. And we'll go ahead and wipe that off. They do feel really nice, that's for sure. They do look good. And so for the next side, we're just going to be repeating the same steps. Alright, so I'm going to be honest, the difference isn't really that big. Visually, the difference isn't that big. They feel very smooth. I think that they are much more smooth now, but I guess with the lights off, they do look much cleaner with the lights off, but you can still see a lot of the scratches that were there before on the plastic and some of the just rock chips. I mean, this is a 2013, so I think that was kind of inevitable. But maybe one day I'll upgrade these headlights to some Depot's or something. And if I did do that, I would definitely, I would coat them and I would probably braw them, put like a clear protectant over them. So, I don't know, I mean, $10, whatever, not a big deal. They do feel, to the touch, the lenses feel much more smooth. I mean, like, very, very smooth. But as far as the looks with the lights on, I don't notice a huge difference. I'd say with them off, they do look nice. They do look much more clear. So, not too bad, not too bad. I think that if this car had more oxidation in the headlights, like a yellow film, or it was a bit older and they were a little more beat up, maybe you would see more of a dramatic change in them, but I don't know, these weren't incredibly yellow or anything. They just had, you know, they just had the average rock chips and scratches and swirls and bug guts and stuff like that. So I guess for peace of mind, a great product and great process for your headlights, peace of mind, right? But visually, does it make that big of a difference? Probably not.